Certified Global Harmonization Train the Trainer course CGHT is a comprehensive training program. The course lasts 3 days and costs $695 to attend. Its main objective is to align the United States with the Globally Harmonized System, GHS. Recent changes to OSHA's Hazard Communication Standard aim to synchronize U.S. regulations with the Globally Harmonized System of classification and labeling of chemicals. This update improves safety and health protections for American workers and enhances trade conditions for chemical manufacturers. By building on OSHA's successful standards, the GHS is expected to prevent workplace injuries and illnesses, save lives, and strengthen international trade for companies dealing with chemicals. The original Hazard Communication Standard gave workers the right to know. GHS provides the right to understand. OSHA requires employees to be trained on new label elements, such as pictograms, hazard statements, precautionary statements, and signal words. Workers must also understand the new Safety Data Sheet, SDS format, by December 1, 2013. Full compliance with the final rules starts in 2015. This 8-hour instructor training program aims to authorize selected employees to implement and conduct in-house hazard communication and globally harmonized system safety programs. It covers the identification of chemical hazards, labeling, and explanations of the new Safety Data Sheet format. To fully qualify as a trainer, students are required to prepare and teach a 20-minute segment as part of this program. This hands-on experience ensures they understand how to instruct others in workplace safety according to the latest standards and practices. Topics include how to develop an effective presentation, proper teaching techniques, and learning the differences between the old OSHA Hazard Communication Program and the new Global Harmonization Program. Additional content covers substances exempted by standard, especially consumer products. Further topics are primary and secondary container labels, OSHA's new hazard classification, and a review of the new Safety Data Sheets, SDS. Trainees learn about new GHS label elements and proper use of pictograms for effective hazard identification. Participants are instructed on GHS pictograms, hazard identification, physical and environmental hazard classification, as well as the NFPA labeling and numbering system. They practice reading and interpreting safety data sheets for real-world application and safety compliance. The course addresses exposure prevention, protective measures, acute and chronic health hazards, physical hazards, and first aid procedures related to eyes, skin, and respiratory system. Trainees learn to respond appropriately to different chemical hazards encountered in the workplace. Contact the International Association of Safety, Health, and Environmental Professionals, IASHEP, to learn more or register. Call Jack Potagil, that's 612-801-1032, or Ronald Pentecost at 210-580-3585. Email Ronald Pentecost at iashep.org or John Potagil at iashep.org, or visit www.iashep.org.